Bini-bini, maaari ba kitang maisayaw?
Here we stand today, like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. Light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever.
Bini-bini, kamusta naman pala ang inyong pamumuhay roon sa nayon?
Maayos na naman ang aming pamumuhay roon. Ngunit, dumarating ng takip silim at kinakailangan ko na umalis.
Teka lang, Bini-bini. Hanggang dito na lang kita maihahatid, Bini-bini.
Maraming salamat sa iyong paghahatid, Ginoo.
Teka lang, Bini-bini. Pwede ba tayong magkita ulit bukas?
Kung hindi nais, Ginoo.
Bini-bini, maaari mo bang tanggapin ang aking handog?
Maraming salamat, Ginoo. Tayo muna po.
Bini-bini, maaari bang manligaw sa iyo?
Kung maaari, humingi muna tayo ng permiso sa aking mga magulang. Kailangan mo malapasan ang aking
Sige.
I had a feeling that you're holding my
Araw-araw, na gusto kang laging makita. Nasasabit sa iyong paglalambing. Magandang hapon ang Bini-bini.
Alimanat mo muna kaya't tumuloy sa aming munting tahanan, mga Ginoo.
Maraming salamat, Bini-bini. Ano?
Amon, ano oras na niabot si Sayan to? Ha? Ano oras na abot si Sayan? Bukan si Sayan, ito mo.
Yay, pwede ko bang maligawan ng iyong Bini-bini?
Maaari mo siyang ligawan, pero kailangan mo malagpasan ang mga pagsubok.
wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet tender lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away.
Yay, pwede ko bang mahingi ang kamay ng iyong anak?
Bilang pagsunod sa tradisyon ng aming pamilya, kailangan mo nang magbigay ng kapalit para sa aking anak.
Iyay, ito po ang mga lupain na maibigay ko sa iyong anak. Iyay, ito rin ang mga kalabaw na maibigay ko sa iyong anak. Ito naman ang bahay na maaari kong ibigay sa iyong anak.
I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll
Ikaw
be
lalaki,
together.
natanggap mo ba itong babae na maging kabiyak mo sa hirap at ginawa?
Opo, Padre.
Ikaw naman babae, natanggap mo ba na rin lalaki na maging kabiyak mo sa hirap at ginawa? Opo, Padre. Kung sa ganun, naway pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon kami kapal.
When the night comes in, I'm keeping your heart. How I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet tender lover. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I had found. Oh, I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. You brighten